Gold just experienced its biggest single-day crash in more than a decade. The price plunged over 6%, stunning investors who believed it could only go higher. Now everyone is asking the same question: is this the end of gold's run or the beginning of Bitcoin's next big move? In the last 24 hours, gold dropped from $4,381 to around $4,082 per ounce. That is a 6.3% fall, the sharpest since 2013. The sell-off came right after gold hit record highs earlier this week, catching many traders off guard. Analysts point to several reasons behind the plunge. First, profit-taking after a long rally as investors decided to lock in gains. Second, easing geopolitical tensions, particularly between the United States and China, reduced the need for safe haven assets. Third, a stronger US dollar added pressure to commodity prices. And finally, technical indicators were flashing overbought conditions, signaling a potential correction. For months, gold was seen as the ultimate safe bet, the asset that could not lose. But while gold fell, Bitcoin began to move. As gold dropped, Bitcoin climbed from the 108,000 range to over 113,000 overnight. Some fund managers are calling this a catch-up trade, a shift of capital back into risk assets after weeks of caution. Over the past 2 months, gold had been dominating. It surged nearly 30%, while Bitcoin fell around 12%. But now, that trend might be reversing. A new report from Bitwise suggests that if just 3 to 4% of gold's $17 trillion market moves into Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency could double in price. Even a 2% rotation, they estimate, could send Bitcoin soaring past $160,000. This could mark a major turning point as investors rotate from traditional safe havens like gold toward digital ones like Bitcoin. Still, gold's long-term outlook remains strong. Major banks are maintaining bullish targets. Bank of America forecasts $6,000 by mid-2026. Goldman Sachs expects $4,900 by next year, and JP Morgan projects as high as $6,000 by 2029. Gold may be cooling off for now, but Bitcoin could be heating up. Stay tuned and subscribe for your daily market insights, or simply search BTCC to catch the latest updates and campaigns.